year 2025, 75,000 students registered for IIT JAM. Now the question is why? In India, most students grow up dreaming of IIT. मगर अगर आपका IIT का सपना UG में पूरा नहीं हुआ, तो IIT JAM gives you a second chance to enter IITs at master's level. JAM stands for Joint Admission Test for Masters. Basically, it's your ticket to MSc at 22 IITs and IISc Bangalore. And the best part is, you just have to compete in your one favorite subject. This exam will be conducted on 15th February 2026. बस 30 days बचे हैं. And believe me, to excel in this exam, you don't need more time, you just need more focus. Hey everyone, I am Ayushi from College Apply. Our leadership team has spent over 2 decades in the edtech space, and we have seen thousands of students' career up close. But believe me, IIT JAM, this is a game changer. So if you are in your final year of BSc and you're thinking about research or those high-paying data science jobs, then this video is exactly for you. So IIT JAM is a 3-hour computer-based test with a total of 60 questions and 100 marks. Section A has 30 MCQs, multiple choice questions with negative marks. Section B has 10 MSQs, multiple select questions, and the good part is there is no negative marking. And the last section C has 20 NAT questions, which is numerical based with no negative marking. If you would have noticed, last के 30 questions में कोई penalty नहीं है. That means if you play smart and you think of calculated risks, then you can easily boost your score by 20%. लेकिन blind guessing बिल्कुल मत करना, calculated elimination से सारे questions को attempt करना. One more thing that serious IIT JAM aspirants do not miss are previous year question papers. If you are confused where to start, just Google College Apply IIT JAM previous year question papers. Open the first web result and you'll find subject-wise PYQs arranged properly. Solving these questions give you clarity on what IITs actually ask and not what coaching notes scare you with. This is where preparation start feels focused and not just random. Now let's talk about the subjects. Mathematics, mathematical statistics, and economics. All these commonly aligned with data-driven roles, analytics, financial roles. If we talk about subjects like physics and chemistry, they are more into core science, PhD oriented, and research based. Last two, biotechnology and geology, are more focused on life sciences, earth sciences, and applied science research. My honest suggestion would be to choose according to your eligibility and strong interest. Do not follow the crowd. So here's the reality. From today till exam day, you have got just 4 weeks left. Is that enough time? Absolutely, if you prepare smartly. Week 1 to 2 में you have to go through all the important parts of your syllabus in quick revision mode. This is not the time for deep dives into new topics. Week 3 में solve previous year question papers. I am very serious. This is non-negotiable. You have to do this. Week 4 में you can practice doing different mock tests. एक और interesting बात बताती हूँ. तुम्हें पता है मैथ्स में 2025 में कट ऑफ वॉज जस्ट 20 मार्क्स. दैट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू बी परफेक्ट एट ऑल. यू जस्ट नीड अ स्मार्ट स्कोर टू गेट इनटू एन IIT. अब ये नंबर्स हर साल, हर कैटेगरी और हर पेपर के हिसाब से वेरी करते हैं. And one thing which is common is perfection is not at all required. Strategy is the one thing that actually matters. Also a quick and important thing. अब last minute पे updated रहना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है to avoid unnecessary confusion and panic. इसके लिए you can simply Google College Apply IIT JAM latest updates and open the first link right there. Checking the verified updates can help you stay calm and stay focused. Look, the real question isn't if you can do it or not. It is, will you actually want to do it? आज ही एक मॉक टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट करो और अपना स्कोर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो. If this content helped you, like this video and subscribe our channel for more such content. Until then, keep learning. This is Ayushi signing off.